think we alternate. I think. Yeah, I guess. Holy crap. Ugh. There we go. Is anybody like really nervous? Can you see him? How you doing over there? You good? You ready? Oh crap. Holy shit. Crap. Dude, this is awesome. This is awesome. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. Damn. Oh. Jeez. Oh, I can't even get back up. I'm gonna get nailed. This is awesome. Oh. Oh. You haul ass down this thing. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so much fun. Oh my gosh, I got a mouthful of volcano dirt. Oh, that is awesome. My shoe has so much rocks in it. My face has so many rocks on it. Oh, this place is cool. Oh, we gotta see if Christy bites it. She'll probably do better than I did. He said you're not supposed to wipe out, but that didn't happen. I got a volcano on my nose. I'm gonna be blowing black crap all day. Oh, that was so freaking fun. Holy crap, was that fun. Here she comes. Oh, here she comes. See if she wipes out. Dang, she's moving. I got volcano in my teeth. Feels like chicken. Here she comes. Here she comes. That was so much fun. That's so cool. Wish they had a ski lift to take you to the top. You can hear. She's got the brakes on. There she goes. She's like a professional. That is awesome. I bit it hard. Hell yeah, I wiped out. I had to like kind of crawl back up. I couldn't even get back up hardly. Yeah. Yeah, I got Volcano like in my mouth, my face.